The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be one of the most compelling, highly anticipated handheld gimbal cameras of the next wave of creator gear. And while DJI has not yet officially confirmed every detail, the rumor threads, prototype leaks, and industry whispers combine into a vision of a pocket-sized powerhouse that could redefine what it means to shoot cinema-quality video on the go. Building on the success of the Pocket 3, which itself rocketed into popularity thanks to its 1-inch sensor, compact gimbal design, and pro-level color modes, the Pocket 4 appears to raise every major spec and refine every pain point of the prior model, starting with its sensor and imaging system, where multiple trusted sources indicate DJI is moving to a 1-inch CMOS sensor, or possibly slightly larger, likely around 12 MP effective resolution for stills, paired with an upgraded video pipeline that may deliver 4K at up to 240 FPS, 1080p at 240 FPS, 10-bit color depth, D-Log-M and HDR recording, and potentially dual-camera hardware to allow simultaneous front and rear capture or secondary lens flexibility. This same rumor stream suggests a collaboration with Hasselblad, echoing DJI's drone lineage, to deliver elevated color science and image fidelity, meaning that the Pocket 4 might not just be a vlogging tool but a serious hybrid for travel cinematographers, social creators, and professional shooters alike. On the stabilization front, rumors say the gimbal remains a 3-axis mechanical system, a hallmark of the Pocket line, but is now likely augmented with enhanced electronic image stabilization, EIS, and smarter AI-assisted tracking, ActiveTrack 7.0, eye tracking, subject recognition, object locking modes, and full 360-degree horizon leveling are all being floated, meaning that handheld, high-motion sequences, whether a mountain bike descent, a surfboard ride, or a street dance capture, could look far more polished than ever before from such a compact device. In terms of design and usability, the leaks show a form factor that remains pocketable but with refinements. A slightly larger or higher resolution touchscreen, some suggest 2.5 instead of 2. Improved brightness and sunlight legibility. Perhaps dual display front-back configuration for better selfie framing, a more ergonomic button layout, faster UI responsiveness, and improved heat management, important given the higher data rates and processing demands. Accessories and connectivity are also expected to step up. Faster internal storage or better buffer handling. USB-C PD fast charging, some leaks say 80% charge in 25 minutes. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth upgrades for faster transfers and streaming, live view via mobile or remote devices. And deeper compatibility with DJI's accessory ecosystem, ND filters, wireless microphones, magnetic mounts, making the Pocket 4 extremely adaptable to both casual creators and pro rigs. While no official pricing is confirmed, the speculation places the base unit in a higher tier than prior models. Some rumors suggest, and be $699 USD standard model with creator kit bundles at $799 or more. Justified given the bump in hardware and features, but also raising the question of upgrade worthiness for existing Pocket 3 owners. From a market position perspective, DJI appears keenly aware that competition is tightening. Rivals such as GoPro, smartphone gimbal hybrids, and even mirrorless minicams are encroaching the portable cinema kit space, so the Pocket 4 launch would not just be incremental but strategic. A statement that DJI remains the handheld gimbal camera king, merging advanced imaging with mobility and stability in one compact body. For creators, this means more freedom. You could travel carry-on only, shoot high-motion, low-light, social-ready content straight out of the camera or with minimal post, film reaction-style dual angles, if the dual-camera rumors hold, and rely on the built-in gimbal rather than a cumbersome rig. The potential for this device in vlogging, travel doc, mobile filmmaking, even cut-down professional workflows is significant, especially as the size and weight barrier to high-quality video continues to erode. Of course, there are caveats. Leaks are still leaks, and we must treat every rumor with caution. Some early forums suggest a later launch, 2026 or even 2027, if DJI chooses to refine thermal, battery, or sensor tech further. Others warn that certain features, dual lens, 4K 240 FPS, Hasselblad branding, may be luxury variants reserved for a Pro edition, not the base model. And upgrade cycles for users matter. If you already own a Pocket 3, the incremental benefit must be weighed against cost, accessories, workflow overhead, and whether the new features materially improve your output. On the other hand, for anyone working in mobile content creation, on-the-move filmmaking, vlogging, adventure documentation, or travel narrative, the Pocket 4 looks like it could be a transformative tool. Compact enough to always carry, flexible enough for multiple workflows, and powerful enough to deliver output that stands up well in today's HD 4K streaming world and beyond. There is also the question of how DJI markets this device within its broader ecosystem. The synergy between Pocket, Action, and Osmo drone lines means cross-accessory compatibility and the trickle-down of drone-grade tech into handheld form factors, so we may see features previously reserved for drones, sensor size, image quality tracking, more deeply embedded into the Pocket 4. In terms of software, firmware updates will matter. DJI's history shows that new hardware often unlocks new functionality via later firmware, improved tracking, presets, live streaming enhancements, meaning early buyers carry both benefits and risks of firmware maturity. From a commercial perspective, if DJI times the Pocket 4 release well, holiday season 2025 perhaps, there is strong upside. It could set the best portable cinema camera benchmark, drive accessory ecosystems, and push smartphone-based content creators to adopt a higher-quality dedicated device. But if the pricing jumps too much, or the feature upgrades feel incremental, DJI risks alienating the loyal Pocket 3 user base. Looking ahead, one might imagine a future where Pocket 5 or beyond includes full-frame sensors, integrated 5G live streaming, real-time AI editing, or modular lens attachments, but for now, the Pocket 4 appears to sit at the sweet spot. Major leap in core specs, sensor, frame rate, stabilization, while retaining the brand's signature mobility and simplicity. In summary, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be much more than just next in the line. It appears poised to redefine handheld stabilized filmmaking, bridging the gap between smartphone convenience and professional cinema tools. Whether you're a solo vlogger, travel filmmaker, adventure creator, or even a professional looking for a B camera that fits in a jacket pocket, this device could deliver an unprecedented combination of image quality, stabilization, speed, and flexibility. As the leaks mature and DJI's official announcement approaches, the anticipation is massive, and if even a good majority of these rumors hold true, the Pocket 4 may well become the new benchmark for what a compact gimbal camera can achieve in 2025 and beyond.